Welcome to the world of computer vision, where machine learns to see, understand, and interact with our visual universe. So, in this video, we are diving into, let's say, a theory, but just introduction, small introduction into what exactly computer vision, why is Python is the perfect language to master it, and how can we start building real-world AI from scratch. So let's see what is the computer vision. So the computer vision, just think of it as artificial eyesight of machine. So a branch of intelligence that teach computers to interpret and make a decision based on visual data, just like how humans process images through our eyes and brains. So computers use algorithms to analyze everything from photos and videos and to live camera feeds, which computer vision machine with computer vision we can recognize faces, detect objects in real time, diagnosis disease from medical scans, and many applications. Indeed. So now let's talk about the impact, because computer vision is not just a science. It's not just a science fiction anymore. It's everywhere. Computer vision is used really everywhere. So in a self-driving car, so use it to detect lanes, traffic signs, and pedestrians. In the healthcare as well, it helps doctors spot tumors in X-ray and MRIs and do many other let's say checks or tests. And retailers use it to for smart shelves and visual product search. And also social media. As you can see, it's used in a Facebook, Twitter, and many others. So for security system to manufacture, agriculture to fashion, this is the techniques transform industry at lightning speed. So I can imagine without computer vision. I mean, many application used in a computer like additionally like anomaly detection, which is used heavily in the factories. And why we using Python? So now, if you are wondering how to get started, here's the good news. So Python is your best friend. So because Python makes complex things really simple, and it with its clean syntax and powerful libraries like OpenCV, NumPy, Pilo, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and many others libraries or packages, you can build a full vision system without getting lost in the code. It's really indeed. So this is what I'm showing you in this course, and it's fast to prototype, perfect for research and production, and also backed by a huge community. And if you have, for instance, any question, you will get answer on fly, I would say. And deeply integrated with deep learning frameworks. And let's say, for instance, in our work, we are using Python. So let's say the old system is implemented before 20 years, and they are using C++ or C, and we try to integrate Python in the old system with MQTT or gRPC. So because the old system is C++ and the new system is Python. So it's so easy to integrate different languages with gRPC and if you wanted to dive into a computer vision, Python is the perfect place to start. And what you will build in this I mean in this course, by end of this course, you won't just watching let's say tutorials. You will also building real tools step by step. You will create your own image processing toolkit. Not just image processing toolkit, it might be another toolkit. So I'm just explain this in a general way so you can use Python in any different areas. And we will try to simulate the real world image defects, automate script for cleaning, labeling dataset, and many others steps, and even custom CLI tool powered by computer vision. So this is a hand-on learning at the at this is we will learn in this course, and I will show you how to do everything from scratch. So let's see to recap. Computer vision gives machines the power to see and understand visual data. So Python is the ideal language to learn it. Easy, powerful, and widely supported. And most importantly, you can start building real project today. By the way, there are many other let's see languages that use deep learning, but Python is heavily used, or let's see use deep learning packages you will find many packages for the for computer vision, for natural language processing, for text analysis, for anything. So, are you ready to step into the future of visual AI? So, in the next videos, we will talk, let's see, our environment and writing our first computer vision script. So, I mean, in the coming videos. So, in the coming video, I will show you how to prepare your environment. So, I will start with you step by step, and by end of this course, you will be a perfect. You will be I will say a master, Python and also computer vision. So that's it. I mean, if you like this video, please subscribe into my channel and like the video. And if you have any question, of course, drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.